Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a quiz on Quizizz. So if you go to create here and you can't find the quiz section, you're just going to go to Quizizz AI. It says start creating with Quizizz AI. It says transform your existing resources into engaging activities. You can extract questions from worksheets or question bank, documents, YouTube videos, or websites. And here you can even create questions from topic prompts or excerpts. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm just going to enter a quiz topic right now. I'm just going to type in, let's say geometry. I don't know. And then let's do 5. And then we are going to obviously change to mathematics. And let's do the 5th grade. Then I'm just going to select continue, and it's going to basically find subtopics. Let's do calculate area, generate quiz, and it's going to generate the quiz for you. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.